Hi Sagittarians, welcome to your November Good Stuff Coming Your Way reading. In this reading, I'm going to be looking at what are the good things coming your way in the month of November. Also, please hit the like button for me if you like this reading, and do remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon as well. And I'd hugely appreciate it. We already have a card for you, Sagittarians, and I'm going to draw some more cards before I start reading that. Let's see. We have grief, we have miracle, I have workaholic, and I also have instinct. I feel like, Sagittarians, that you people are healing from some kind of a situation that has been keeping you tied down for a long time emotionally. You could be feeling down and out or very low for some time now. But with the card of the miracle, I feel like there has been a miraculous discovery or something that you now know or have realized, or you can even call this divine intervention in your life. And I feel like this is bringing in a lot of healing to you. You also get the card of workaholic and instinct. I feel like, Sagittarians, a lot of you have been working very hard. Some of you could be having migraines, some of you could be having lower back issues, some of you could be just putting on unnecessary weight. So with the card the workaholic, I feel like there's going to be a lot more work to you, but you need to watch out and do the necessary with regards to your health. Capricorns. I'm sorry, did I say Capricorns? I don't know if some of you Sagittarians could be dealing with Capricorns, or the sign just after you is the Capricorn. Probably that's why I said it. But as I drew out the card of soulmate, I spoke the word Capricorn. I don't know if you're dealing with a Capricorn. Do comment and let me know. But some of you Sagittarians are definitely working very strongly from your instincts. Your intuitive abilities are very strong and sharp right now. Sometimes you don't even know where this guidance is coming from, or who is speaking through you, or who's making you do some things or take some actions, but it's happening. Your instincts are very strong here right now. It's like some powerful spirits or your guides are guiding you from the other side, and you don't know how to put your finger on that. A lot of you Sagittarians are also going to meet your soulmate, or you are already with your soulmate, or you're sensing a soulmate around you. This energy, someone is very, very powerful, and they could be coming towards you. I also feel like there is already this energetic connect between you and this person. This could be a soulmate or a twin flame. What other good things are coming for Sagittarians? We have a miracle already. So you have impartiality. I'm going to draw some more cards. Let's see. What is this impartiality about, Spirit? You get the Nine of Cups. I feel like if somebody had not been very, very truthful with you in a situation, very honest with you, or they had tried to take away your share, or you were supposed to get something but it didn't turn out the way you wanted it to, I feel like now you're going to get that in the month of November. Either they could be coming in to negotiate, or it might just fall into your lap also. I see that with the energy of Nine of Cups here. What you don't see is the Knight of Cups here. Like I said, there is someone coming towards you, but they're coming towards you not with a great speed. So you could be knowing this person or meeting this person in the month of November, or this could even stretch until the month of December. Sagittarians is what I'm getting, and December is your month, is the Sagittarians month. Let's see. You also have the card of Four of Swords. This talks about healing and communication. I feel like you Sagittarians could be opening your lines of communication with some people around you who you were not previously in talks with, and that helps you bring in the energy of impartiality or contentment. A lot of you Sagittarians are actually healing at very deep levels, and that's why the first card, that is the card of grief, it tells me that you've gone through some kind of losses. This could be at the family front or the financial front. Some of you could be doing going through this loss at the emotional front. But this month is going to bring in that healing that you have been so looking forward to. You also get the card of the Empress, which is a very powerful energy. And I feel like Sagittarians, you could be appearing very, very attractive to those around you. You're also very fertile. So if you're pregnant, congratulations. If you're not looking to have a baby right now, then you need to watch out for that. But I also feel a lot of you Sagittarians have very good entrepreneurial ideas right now, which you could be putting into use in the coming times. I don't see you doing that immediately, but these ideas are surfacing with a lot of speed, and you are willing to make use of these. You also get the card of the star. I think Leo's just got this card. I don't know if you Sagittarians are also dealing with another Leo, or you have a strong Leo in your chart, but you get the card of the star. This is the Aquarius energy. You have a Taurus Libra energy here. You also have the water signs. Yeah, pretty much every sign is here. So I feel like you could be dealing with these people, but with your charm, your ideas, and your out of the box ideas, in fact, I want to say, and your wittiness, you could be charming a lot of people into, coming onto your side. You could be winning a lot of people on your side, is also I'm getting. I feel like a lot of these people are very much already waiting to support you, but they don't know what you feel. So I feel like talking or voicing your opinion in a gentle way could help you bring in that support you so need. You also get the card of Page of Swords. You're definitely moving away from the energy of a lot of people who you have been wanting to do away with or cut away from your life, but you're going to do that right now. Kind of see that you see the reality in the situation, and you feel there is really no need to have those people around. All they do is give you a migraine, but you're going to do that. You're going to be bold enough to take that step here right now. You get the card of Six of Cups. Okay, Sagittarians, you have somebody coming into your life who's offering you a proposal or wants to offer you a proposal, or if you're not looking at this for a love relationship, this could be people you want who want to work with you or who want to be around you, and they could be coming in like support. It could mean that, or this is somebody coming to you either from a past life or from the past, and they carry the energy of soulmate. Get the card of soulmate. So I feel like overall this is going to be a very, very fruitful month for you, Sagittarians. Let me draw you some cards from the spirits. Some more cards. There's a lot of discovery I feel that you're going to make here in the month of... It won't disappoint you, for sure, is what I want to say to you. Show me clearly, Spirit, any messages you have for Sagittarians, please. That's your card here. I get the rainbow blessings for you. Blessings are showering your life. Like I told you, you are beginning the month with healing this grief. The healing is happening for you in the entire month. When this healing has happened for you, your heart chakra and your crown chakra and also your third eye chakra become much more active and open than they were previously, much more balanced. And that's allowing you to see the reality in the situation and manifest and bring in the soulmate energy and the right kind of people. This could even mean soul family coming in and who will be very loving and supporting to you, towards you. Blessings are definitely showering your life. If you felt for the longest time you have been down, out and low, I feel that the month of November is going to work things in your favor, Sagittarians, and you're not going to step into the energy in the month of December feeling what you have in the past few weeks, that's for sure. For some of you Sagittarians, I see this transition happening already. You're feeling this change. For some of you Sagittarians, this could stretch into the month of December. It depends on what degrees your Sagittarius is placed at. All right. So that's what I have for you, Sagittarians. This is looking like a big, huge shift in your perspectives and your a transition in the emotional bounds you've been feeling for yourself for so long. Things are looking up. Things are looking up for you for sure. And with the Empress energy, you're really, really going to be in demand here, Sagittarians. So you're like hotcake. So, okay, Sagittarians, I'm going to take leave, but if you like this reading, do give it a thumbs up. I'd hugely appreciate it. And do remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. That way you get notified when I'm going live. And if you have a question you want to put up to my cards, you can do that when I'm live. And also good to see you soon again. Bye. Take care. Lots of love and luck.